YouTube, welcome back to a new video, and today I'm gonna go over how to make a logo like this. We're gonna do our best attempt to create this. This logo is by Roblox, so go ahead and give him a follow. Although, if you guys want to show some support, head over to gfxcomment.com. These videos take effort, so any support is highly appreciated. We got lots of stuff here for you to choose from. This will just allow me to keep making videos. Alright, so first things first, take your text tool. We're going to type out Saber. I'm using the font Comet with a K. And anyways, just resize it to try and match as best as possible. Add a gradient overlay with the angle at -90. As you can see, this is our basic text. Alright, right click rasterize type, and now I'm just gonna go back to bevel and emboss and just kind of see what looks good here. Just trying out some different options, changing the angle like so, and also the options up there. Okay, anyways, right click rasterize layer style, Control J to make a copy, hold Control click and Alt backspace to fill with white. Control click again, select modify contract by 10 and delete. And now we have a nice little outline. Alright, now I'm going to change the mode to overlay. Take the eraser and just kind of erase out some parts. So we have some variants in the design. And yeah, just keep doing this. Alright, so right here, just erasing on the R. Here's the second layer. It is the same thing on normal mode. Yeah, I'm just basically gonna go back into bevel and emboss, just kind of messing around, seeing what looks good. This is a lot of trial and error, so just keep messing around. Alright, so right here, just keep messing with the bevel and emboss settings. Just trying to get a look that you want. It's just basically all trial and error. So yeah, try to match the text up. Okay, new layer. I'm gonna add some additional shading here, just make it look nicer. Some white on the bottom right here. And you're going to notice for the entire logo, many of these techniques are all the same. And right here, just a rectangle inside the text. Erase it off for this cool little shine effect. Right here. Okay, take everything here. Just gonna merge it all up into a group like so. Take a look. Alright, Control E to rasterize and Control T, right click, perspective. And you can hold Control and adjust the little corners, match up the text better. Changing the background color. Alright, 3D text effects, just make a copy, put it under, change the color. And you'll see here in a second, you just want to resize like so towards the center. It's very simple. Nothing too complicated. Take the color with your pencil and just start connecting these two together like so. Alright, just finish up connecting the shapes here for our little 3D effect. It's looking pretty good. Alright, once you are done, take everything, Control E to merge, And we're gonna start shading. Same thing, you make a new layer and clip it inside our 3D shadow thing. Take our brush tool, and you can see we're gonna use the polygonal lasso tool right here. Make a selection, and this will help us create this like sharp shading effect, which you will see here in a second on the R. The little corners, like right here. And yeah, it's pretty simple. Keep practicing and you will eventually get better. Alright, you can see on the A right there, looks really good. Finish off on the S letter right here. Change the mode to overlay, and I'm also going to make a new layer, add some highlights with the color white. Okay, now for the fighting text. It's basically the same thing, right? As you'll see here in a second. We're just gonna mostly use brushes, selections, pencil. So right here, there's shadow. Alright, use the pencil right here to make the shape, clip it into the text. Same thing, erase a little bit. Alright, now I'm just going to use some ellipses to make some circles, some dots right here. And yeah, that pretty much does it. If you guys enjoyed, once again, leave a like down below. Check out our store, gfxcomment.com. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Take care, guys.